Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube subscribe button in Blogger page. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I want to add this channel's subscriber button to this Blogger page. On the sidebar of right side. Okay, go to your YouTube channel, go to YouTube Studio. Now click on settings. Click on channel. You will find here advanced setting tab. Click on advanced setting tab. Now scroll down. Click on manage YouTube account. Here you will find view advanced settings under your channel. Click on view advanced settings. This is your channel ID. Just copy channel ID from here. Now I'm opening a new tab. Click on Google Apps. Scroll down. Click on Blogger. Okay. This is IT system admins.blogspot.com. I have to go to that page. This is IT system admin. Now go to layout. Scroll down. Oh, this is sidebar right. I will add YouTube subscribe button in this sidebar right B. Okay, it will be visible from here. Okay, go to Blogger, click on add a gadget. Now type here title. I'm typing the title subscribe. Subscribe here. Okay. Open a new tab. In Google search bar, type YouTube subscribe plugin. YouTube subscribe plugin and hit enter. So developer.youtube.com. configure a button, YouTube subscribe button. You click on here. You will find the option here, that is channel name or ID. I have copied channel ID from here, and now greet Google developers and paste your channel ID here. Now layout full, look, and theme will be default, or you can select dark. No need to select dark, just default. And subscribe count will shown here, or you can hide here. Okay, now just select this code and copy it. Now go to your Blogger layout. Subscribe here and then paste the code here. I'm going to show you again. Just click sidebar, add a gadget, click on HTML or JavaScript. Now give a title. I'm giving subscribe. Here, and here I am giving the code I have copied earlier. Now save it. I'm just dropping it down under Facebook, and now save your changes. This is the save button. Click here. Save has been changed. Now check, go to blog, just reload the blog. Scroll down. Look, the subscriber button already added in your blogger page. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.